Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make a edible sugar cookie bouquet. I'm going to start by flooding my mason jar cookie. I chose the color white because it's neutral and goes well with other colors, but feel free to get creative and mix and match whatever colors you like. Next is my sunflower cookie. Start by putting a circle of thick roll icing in the center and then dipping that into brown sprinkles. Normally I would do a brown icing in the middle so that when you see it through the sprinkles it matches, but if I was honest, I was being a little bit lazy and I didn't want to mix an extra color, but I still think they turned out cute. Use any leaf tip to create the petals. For this next floral cookie, I'm using a tapered petal tip. Make sure you point the tapered end away from the center of the cookie to give your petals a delicate look on the edges. Slowly squeeze out petals as you turn the cookie. You can experiment with how many layers of petals you want and how many petals will fill each layer. Here I'm using the exact same tip as I did on the previous cookie. Place a dollop of icing in the middle, and then with the tapered end pointing up, create little petals that encase the dot. Then go to the edge of the cookie and create smaller petals, and continue until you get all the way around the circle. Create a second layer of petals to fill in the gap between the outer layer and the center. To create the greenery, either cut the tip of your tipless bag in a V shape like seen here, or use a leaf tip similar to the one I used in the sunflower cookie. As you can see, I wiggle my piping bag in and out as I'm piping to give the leaves their definition. Once all the cookies have fully dried, you can arrange them and stack them to create a beautiful bouquet.